Hey mate, my name is Kevin, and you are watching F12 Tech. In this video, I will tell you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document. So, let's start. Here, we have a PDF file that I want to convert into a Word file. Now, as you can see, it is a pretty big file. But the size of the file doesn't matter in my method of file conversion. So, I will now close it. And then, I will open Google Chrome. Now, I have to click on these 9 dots in the upper right corner. Then click on Google Drive. Now, we will click on plus new on the upper left corner. And then upload that PDF file to our Google Drive. So, the file is done uploading. Now, we need to open this file. But to do this, we will first left click on it. And then open it. With Google Docs. It will automatically convert the PDF file into Word file. So, now, we have this fully editable Word file. And as you can see, I can edit this file in the same way we edit file in Microsoft Word. We can remove words, edit them and insert new words. And yeah, we can perform all types of formatting generally available in Microsoft Word. But, what will we do if we don't want to edit our file? Though, we just want to convert it into a Word file. Then, we will just save it as a Word file. As simple as that. To save this file as a Word file for later use, we have to click on the file in the upper left corner, and then download it in any of the formats available. But in our case, we will download this file in Word format. As you can see, the file is downloaded in the Word format and we can edit it using Microsoft Word. I don't have Word installed on my device. Therefore, it is opened in WordPad. Now, kindly subscribe to my channel. And hit like. Have a good day.